Hi, thanks for seeing one of our videos here on YouTube. We've got, oh, I don't know, 750, give or take, videos on YouTube of all sorts of repairs and how-tos and how things work. Working a lot of electric fence boxes for people all over the United States. People ship things to us. And we also do the cattle scales and low bars, so we do work on those as well. Work on mostly Gallagher and True Test seem to be the two brands of the low bars and scales we work on, but we'll probably tinker on about any of them out there that are made and sold. But there's our information. Fencerfixer.com is our website, and we do give free quotes and 18-month warranties on the repairs that we do. But this is going to be hopefully a how-to repair video. He's how to test things out on this one. This is a Power Wizard. I believe it's the PW1000. I think it's an older model. I don't know if they make it anymore. But we're going to take it apart and see what we can figure out. I think it's a 1 output jewel unit, I believe. So it's not a hard hitting unit, but for what it's designed to do, you know, it does probably a good job. Alright, well, it's got a funky smell to it, so, ooh, yeah. You see the problem. There's a funny smell coming from it. I'll show you what the smell is as soon as I get this capacitor out. See, it's all swelled up, and there's this booger hanging out of its face. So that's what that funky smell is. That doesn't happen that often. Every once in a while it does, but not very common. So this capacitor's definitely seen better days. Let's see, it is a 50 microfarad capacitor. So I'm going to take this washer and nut off there, but yeah, look at that. So chuck that in the trash. See if I got another one over here. Alright, got another one here. I think it's good. I'm going to test it real quick and make sure it came out of my stock of new stuff. So I'm assuming it's probably fine, but we'll check it real quick. Should be 50. 48.8, close enough to 50. And the nut and washer should fit. Yep. I don't know if the board's got a problem or not, but this is the start of our issues to start with, so we're going to put that in there. This must be stronger than 1 joule, because the 1 joule unit will have a lot smaller capacitor than the 50 microfarad. It'll probably have like a 20 or a 15 or something like that. Alright, plug these wires on here. There's no polarity to the capacitor, so it doesn't matter which wire goes left or right. As long as you pick a left and a right, doesn't matter if it's upper or lower. Just can't be both on the left or both on the right, because that's the same polarity. It won't work right. Alright, let me take a little gander at this board. Alright, initially looks okay. Let's check those fuses real quick too. There's 2 of them on here. Alright, good. Good. Let's see what happens. It's clicking right along, so far, and the light's flashing there. Let's turn it off for a moment. Looks like they've lost their knob here, and they put a little nut on there. I don't know if I got another knob or not, but let's... Should probably be about 6.5-ish range. Alright, 7. So this one's done. That was a nice, easy fix. That's not always the case where you open these up and there's a burned up capacitor like that. That's rare. Let's see if I have another knob for this. Let me go look. I think the older ones had both black knobs, and I think the later ones have got one black, one red. So, oops. So I got a black knob here for one, so we'll just put that in place with this nut. Actually, we need to tighten this. There's a nut behind this washer. Make sure that's tight. Yeah. Let's see, this one's moving, so let's get that. There's a nut right there. I'll make sure that this is okay, like that. So tighten her up. We're going to center that bulb on there a little bit better so it's easier to see. There we go. A nice easy fix on a pretty good unit. I don't know how old it is, if it's got a date on it. Nope, there used to be a sticker somewhere. Maybe they didn't put them on this older of a version. There'd be like a sticker on the back if here somewhere that is have a random serial number, whatever, but it have an MFG number, and that'd be a 4-digit code. The first two was the month, and the second two numbers of the years, like 0715 would be July 5th, 2015. So, but yeah, the unit's working fine now, putting out a good, nice flashing light. So it's hard to see the glare from the overhead light here, but it's flashing just fine. So that's it for this one. It's a nice little quick fix, I guess, for this one. So if you got a Power Wizard unit or whatever, welcome to send it here. We do work on all brands and ages. I don't care what it is, how old it is. If it can be opened up and tinkered on, we'll open up and tinker on it. So tell your friends about us, subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button if you'd like, and until next time, we'll see you guys later on.